Me nah play oh. I don't know say nobody no give me no gift for a morning at 6 o'clock no, 6 p.m. no. And me up for 12 a.m. I wash up my belly pan gift and nobody no give me no gift. Me nah play. Everybody a transfer money in my account like who no think say money. Who no take no time out to go get when me want give me. Who do not give me money? Who not give me money if you go do on birthday? What money can do? Eh? Uh, Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear Donna. Happy birthday to me. May the good Lord bless me. May the good Lord bless me. May the good Lord bless me. Happy birthday to me.
Yay! If it boo.
Okay, so Leo people is the best in the West.
I always say that because you're my mom.
Really?
Yeah.
Leo people is the best in the world. They have a good heart. They love when people happy. They're supportive. They're honest.
Sometimes.
Shut your backside in my video. Okay? What is she talking about? Leo is the best in the world. Okay? Yeah. Happy birthday, Donna. God's love you. And the world love you too. H.
Happy birthday, my queen.
H. Mr. H.
You got a bit.
You got a bed for you?
Yes.
Today is what time? I can't believe you just did. What time is it? 12:05. Okay. 12:05 a.m.
There's no gift to you.
They don't get me no gift.
And
I'm gonna cry.
Malika's gone. And she have your gift.
Yep. 12 a.m. in the morning.
Isn't that something?
I'm gonna go to bed. So I'll see at 9 a.m. If I don't get any gift, this house is gonna be upside down. So let's see. I just asked for one gift. Just one.
Nobody buying it. Because it's $10,000 for it.
It's $12,000.
Yeah, there.
I'll see if I worth $12,000 to you all. Mr. H, what do you got me for my birthday? It seems like you go upstairs, you come back down here for me.
Yes.
So should I go up with you?
Of course.
Huh?
Yes, you should.
What do you have planned for me? Oh my gosh.
Where's my sister? She was knocking on the door earlier, mommy?
I'm not sure.
So we tell something else to you.
What me tell you, Chef?
What do you want?
I don't know. Oh gosh.
It is. I'll see you tomorrow.
Oh, you're leaving?
Right now.
Wanna just walk in and walk out like wanna begin at this place.
Yep. Bye. Mommy, sweet dreams.
Please lock the door.
Yeah, man, let me keep it right now.
I'm going to bed now, go sleep. And let's see, what do I got for my birthday? You know what? I asked her one thing for my birthday. Just one thing. It's not cheap, but I would love if I get it. Giving me a lot of gifts is not really what I want. I just want one thing. Max up to something upstairs. So me I go up there, go see what I'm going with. So I'm taking a little time and mochi. And I go up and down. Let's see what I'm up to. I'm up to something. You hear him walk up there? You never go in bed. I'm up to something up there. So let's go see. Nalika, where is my gift? Eh? Where? Nalika, where is my gift? We are give mango on birthday. You give me mango every day. You can't mango come give me no? I don't want a mango. Let me give. Hmm? This company don't buy me no gift. Me not play. I don't know, say nobody no give me no gift for a morning at 6 o'clock, no, 6 p.m. no. I'm up for 12 a.m. I wash up belly pan gift and nobody no give me no gift. Me not play. Everybody a transfer money in my account like who don't think the money. Who not take no time out to go get when me want give me. Who do not give me money? Who not give me money for go do pan birthday? What money can do? Max say you must give me the gift where you have for me.
I never said that.
Yes.
You have to tell me to call me.
No, from last night me hear my say, when Mika there? When Mika there? Me know so uno up to something.
We don't have to know.
Yes, so give me the gift.
No gift not there, your mommy.
Yes, give me the gift, cause all this morning him ask Mika there work? When Mika there? Before there this morning. He give himself.
So you can't ask me.
No, me know say Mika, you have something where Max buy and you hide it. So give me. Give me it. You know, give me. Eh?
You know what you talk about, mommy. I'm the last.
We care about that wicked so. Mika, don't lie to your mother. Me no want a mango. Can mango them go back run at the supermarket. Cause me no want a mango. Me no know where you go with box of mango. Carry back. Today my birthday and you come in and we do one box of mango. Me know who me I get gift from. Go for you. Me I go in your room, go search it up. It's under the cupboard, under the sun. Yeah. Mac and cheese. The good old mac and cheese. Send a man.
Let the lobster alone. Uncle.
Yes, this feel like mine. This feel like mine. Look what I got, guys. Look what my daughter just buy me. Put it over here, son. Oh my gosh, damn. Let's take him up.
Then the lobster claw that.
Jeez.
The lobster claw that.
Shrimp. Man. This like heaven.
This feels like heaven. Oh my god, this damn car. Gone off again. This is for my birthday. That I buy this to my birthday. Map stock. I'll send me money for to buy what I want. Man. Lobster, shrimp, corn, potato. Turn up. My girl, you are queen. That's why every man like you. My girl, you are. Eat all you can, guys. Eat all you can. Eat all you can. See that? Eat all you can tonight. Chat about curry goat. See curry goat, yeah? Woohoo! Jerk sauce. Peas well cooked. Ready for putting in rice. Look from this. What is this? This is for my birthday. Let's see. Put on the phone. That's a lot of stuff. What is all this? For my birthday. What's the age by my camera? Yes, sir. Wi-Fi. Man. What do you know about camera? What about it for something? What am I get for my birthday? What I got. The whole works. I'm gonna put on that phone and check out all of what they mean. All of them fit me. I don't even know what they mean. I'm full go through. Let's see the real deal, yeah? This is the real deal. Damn. Put it up a little closer. That's my birthday. That's what I get for my birthday. digital video camera. Oh no. I almost know this. But I forgot to read up the book and learn about it. I have no idea about camera. Shit. And get a whole heap of accessories with it. The back side. So, things we never see before. Things we not understand. Things we need to learn. What the hell is this? I don't even know nothing. The charger. It's like some battery charger. What is this? Remote? I wear this box cover pages. Battery, extra battery. It may look like extra battery. Okay, so see the manual, yeah? Cockaford. Mr. H, boss me. Yes, Papa. Boss the man. A boss. I say me for go vlog you now. I can realize I love the camera. Well, I mean, I love it, but I get to love it. Then I say me for go vlog. But you know that bag you know. What you see what I say? Oh, this is an extra, this is a lens. Put on the front of the camera. Wow. That's my birthday. I'll be buying me this for my birthday. I got a camera. Yep. I got a camera. I got a 4K camera. I got a camera. This is good picture quality. Videos. Mad. Yep. You know, I did buy me one, what it was, a Samsung before. I never like it. I'm gonna return it and collect back the money. Man. Thank you, boo. Mr. H, thank you very much. Thank you. 4K. 4K. The year on me, I say, you surprise me. You do. Never have this in my mind at all. You got me. Oh, God. So this is what Sean gave me. Sean came. I'm not opening it. Let me see. Sean came gave me for my birthday. Y'all laugh for Sean. Because me ask them say diamonds. Diamonds are one of my best friends. And the diamond boy. $12,000. I have a thing for diamonds. Let's see. Give me a card. Happy birthday to beautiful mom. Can I barely see this yesterday? Let me see if I can zoom it on here or something. Love can. Does that explain how it's terrible? I don't know if I should write this. Look like fear handwriting. Love can't explain how much. What is that? Love you. I guess I love you, whatever that is. You will. Yeah, I'm terrible at this. Thank you for. Can't see them mess up. You have to strain me eye too much. Okay, so let's see. She give me 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Give me $100. But to be honest, she been giving me stuff for the past weeks. She buy me Brazilian ear, and then she said, "That's for your birthday." She could buy me things. Look at this, look at that. And then she said, "That's for your birthday." And then she come back and she buy me a card and put $100 in there, which is pretty nice. So, yep, that's what I'm showing the key. Some more, yeah. What I come in here and see this morning, Edie bought me flowers. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, this is so nice. This is on my birthday.
Yes.
She buy me lovely roses.